Hello everyone. So in the first video, you could we could read, we could see different text. Like the first one was my bedroom, and with some questions, and the second one I can swim. Okay, so if you need this book, let me know. I can send it to you. It's called Making English Fun: Level Reading and Writing Cards, grade 1. So that's a very beginning. That's the first phase of the first grade. So anyway, we can just continue. So my bedroom, if you open the PDF, you can print it out. Okay, you can have your kid read it, telling you what he sees or what she sees. Okay, we can also talk about what do you see outside. You know, do you see like a pine tree? Do you see clouds, etc.? So the more you are able to describe, the better. So let's not also spend hours and dwell on that. It's important to maybe do that for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It's enough. What we want is a quality course, not a quantity. What does that mean? I don't want to spend 3 hours, talking about the same stuff. It's boring for the kid, first of all. It's not productive. They lose interest. They're not paying attention. So it's very important to have fun, not too fast and not too slow. Okay, so the questions are here. Okay, after I can swim, we did the same. So you have to be careful of, okay, I have subject, verb, verb, and I can also talk about, the adjectives, fast, a long way, long, okay, under, okay, so in the water, I'm in the water, or under the water. Okay, so anyway, we have some questions as well, and let's continue. So you have also free resources here, makingenglishfun.com. It's a portfolio with different files, so it's free. And here, my pet dog. Dogs like to eat and play. They can be big and small and short and tall. They love to eat dog food. When my dog is happy, he wags his tail. So they don't really pay attention to the punctuation here, but we can imagine how we can correct also these problems. Okay, nothing is perfect in life, but we can also come up with some solutions. Okay, some corrections. So when my dog is happy, he wags his tail. They love to run and play with a ball. They like to sit on a chair, but my mom does not like to see their hair. My dog is sneaky. He does it when she's not there. So the dog's hair is called fur. F-U-R, fur. Dogs like to eat and play. They can be big and small, and short and tall. They love to eat dog food. When my dog is happy, he wags his tail. They love to run and play with a ball. They like to sit on a chair, but my mom does not like to see their hair or their fur. My dog is sneaky. He does it when she's not there. Okay, so mom can also be spelled M-O-M. It's a British spelling here. Can you answer the questions? How many dogs are in the picture? How many dogs are in the picture? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are, okay, they are, so it's like T-H-E-R-E. They are, so we have 8. Okay, so we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 on the sofa, 1 behind, and 4 in front of the sofa. On the sofa, behind the sofa, in front of the sofa. Okay. Hair can be fur, F-U-R. To be sneaky is like you are, you're not doing something in front. You are doing something behind. Like, I don't want her to see me. I'm gonna lie down the sofa. I'm gonna just get out of the sofa when she's around, when the owner is around. Okay, so as you can tell, I'm not translating anything in French or in Spanish. This is a pure English course. That means, well, you can also trust your kid to, to understand English, because they can understand more than they can speak. What do dogs eat? What do dogs eat? Well, they eat dog food. They eat dog food. Why does she doesn't like, so why does mom not like the dog on the chair? Well, this is a bad question. Why doesn't she like the dog on the chair? We can change it here. So why doesn't she like the dog on the chair or on the sofa? So they like to sit on a chair, but my mom does not like to see their hair or their fur. Okay, she has to clean, to vacuum after. When does a dog just sit on the chair? They made a mistake here. So when does a dog sit on the chair? So we can drop this. Oh, we don't need it. When does a dog sit on the chair? The dogs, okay, my dog is sneaky, but the dogs in general, they like to sit on the chair when she's not there. Okay, when she's not there, or when she's not around. Okay, so anyway, there was another book I used this morning. You can use it as well. It's involving a lot of math, but in English, of course. So the second book is called Word Problems, grades 1 to 2. Okay, so the previous one, you could notice there were a lot of problems, a lot of mistakes. So it's really hard to find nowadays perfect textbooks. I would say, it's better to go with the best publishing editions because they have, the experience to make kids books, so, and they respect the program. So anyway, Word Problems, grade 1 to 2. Okay. So we did the first part, I remember, 2 red, 1 green, 2 yellow, 1 blue, and we can also do some additions, simple ones. The clown as well, okay, and now, well, we did the pets as well, but how many, so, there we go. So how many parrots? We have 2. How many mice? In fact, we're gonna say 1 mouse and 2 mice, M-I-C-E, okay? And this is just 1, actually. There's just 1 here. And there are 3 cats, okay? So now, let's be a tiny bit more complex. We have 3 cats plus 2 parrots. So 3 plus 2 equals 5, okay? How many more cats than the mouse? Because there is just 1. So we have 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 3 cats plus 2 parrots plus 1 mouse. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6. Okay? And it goes on and on and on and on and on. Okay? So this is a nice book you can use for learning English and also to to count in English. So it's not difficult, I would say. Now there is another one, and it's about Australia. So this is a bit more complex, but I would say, we don't have to go through everything, So I can send you a lot of stuff. If you want, I can send you all the programs for the first graders. And so here it's about Australia. So many teachers don't even talk about it. They just talk about America, Canada, England, but never about Australia, okay? And in Australia, we can find koalas, kangaroos, and it's, it's not like it's the same everywhere. There are different landscapes, different climates, etc. Okay, And so let's see what we can find here. So Australia, we can say, is very, very far away. Very far away. And so we have 7 continents. On the planet, there are 7 continents. Water covers most of the earth. Land, the land, all the different, the different countries, the land covers the rest, okay? Water covers most of the earth, land covers the rest. The earth has 7 mainland areas. They are called continents, okay? The 7 continents are North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia. Let's repeat, and Antarctica. It's called as well a continent. So there are 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. Okay? So, what can you find in Australia? Well, we don't have to go through everything, but look, Australia is an exciting place. It's great. There are many things you can do over there. And, well, this is, it's called a continent, you know. So let me just go back a bit here. It's going back. No, it's not going back. So anyway, let me just move a bit up. There we go. So, Australia is one continent. It's one country and one continent, okay? Asia, well, it's one continent, but you have a lot of countries in it, like China, okay? You have Turkey, you have India, etc. Africa, it's one continent, but you have a lot of countries in it. Antarctica is one continent, a country, it's pretty hard to say. Europe, one continent, but with a lot of countries. South America is the same. It's one continent and a lot of countries. North America is, you have 3 countries. Canada is the United States of America and Mexico. Okay. So anyway, so let's go back here. And Australia is an exciting place. Australia is the smallest continent. That is a very small continent, the smallest of all the continents. Okay. If we want to say a big number here, we can say it covers about 2,978,100. You don't have to learn this, okay? Square miles, etc. Well, we don't have to learn that. It is about the size of the United States. Australia is like nowhere else in the world. Kangaroos, koalas, and other interesting animals live there. Australia also has fine beaches and cities. This is a beach, and also cities. This warm continent is an exciting place to be. And we can continue tomorrow if you want. Where is Australia? Okay, so of course we're not gonna do that all the time. Okay, we are gonna continue with the different stories, etc. And I'll add more stuff. We're gonna go back and forth different things. So we can learn math, we can learn how to read, and we can learn how to understand the words. So we're gonna build up some vocabulary without having to learn by heart, because we need to understand. The words are coming from a story. It's more interesting than learning a huge list of vocabulary. That's not productive, okay? You all have a nice day, and I hope your dads and moms can help you. Au revoir, good day, and see you later.